Hello there, folks. Hope you're all doing well here in Balboa Park, San Diego. Look at that tower right there. Beautiful, beautiful place. And check out these royal palms here. Roystonea regia. Absolutely gorgeous. One of the most beautiful palm species in my opinion. Just stunning, stunning palms. And yeah, I saw these ones last time I was here. Really, really cool to see. You know, royals, I actually just saw several groups of them planted in some yards here in San Diego. So they really are around. More common than I originally thought, but not a terribly common palm species in California. Obviously much less so than, you know, like CIDP, washies, that kind of stuff. But you'll see them around, you know, if you drive enough around Southern California. But you'll see them in a lot of parks and botanic gardens and stuff like that. You know, obviously the disadvantage here is that they are pretty water intensive, so you gotta water them a lot, unfortunately. But, you know, they are just beautiful and they do so well here. You know, considering that they're native, you know, to such hot and humid places, they do great in these Mediterranean climates, much better than coconuts. They got some great hardiness to them. I mean, look at these, just stunning, stunning palms. Absolutely beautiful. And these are a little bit skinnier than some of the other ones I've seen. You can see a huge one there too. Look at that beautiful white trunk. Absolutely gorgeous. That's a foxtail palm next to it. But these might be the Florida variety, because the Florida variety is skinnier than the Cuban variety. The other one is native to the Caribbean. And but yeah, absolutely stunning. Roystonea regia here in San Diego. And by the way, check this out. This is like the international, I forget exactly what it's called, but they have all these like international buildings here. And look at this beautiful Camerops cerifera. This is the blue silver form. Just gorgeous. Look at that. The suckers coming out the base there. And all these, you know, beautiful, beautiful trees here. I mean, it's just, it is just palm heaven here. And then Palm Canyon's right over there, where they got all sorts of species planted. Look at this huge, huge fishtail palm here. Absolutely massive. That is just crazy. And another sable here of some sort. Can't tell if it does not look like sable palmetto. I think it's a different species, but I'm not exactly sure. There's a canariensis here, which thankfully looks to be pretty healthy. Most of them, unfortunately, are have either been killed off or are dying because of the weevil. The invasive South American palm weevil, which is killing them now and is spreading up through California. Really terrible, but thankfully a lot of palms are resistant to it, like Roystonea. Canariensis are the main victim, but the ones here, I think they are treating. You can see another healthy Phoenix canariensis there, so that is really good to see. And yeah, these are just gorgeous. Look at those. So yeah, Roystonea regia royal palms here in San Diego, California, Balboa Park. So if you come through here, make sure to check out the royals. There's some other plantings of them too. There's one by the entrance, some over in the I don't know what it's called, but in like the court area. So there's quite a few of them planted around here, which is just absolutely awesome to see. One of my favorite palm species, and if I lived here, I would definitely plant some royals. There's quite a few different royal species. Most seem to do pretty well here, but regia is definitely the most common in California. And yeah, great palm species for here. Again, does really well here and tolerates the year-round cool climate, no problem. Really, really beautiful.